Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finish off the beauty boxes for the month of June. I have 3 left and we are going to go ahead and get started. The first one we got here is the Petit Vour one. This is $18 per month. And let's go ahead and see. This one is always vegan and cruelty free. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. And there are usually 4 products in these. Some are deluxe size while others are full size. So let's go ahead and see. Here's the card with the theme. Do I have it right? I think it's this way. And then on the back it has the items with a brief description and the price of the items inside. Not necessarily the full size price, but I will go ahead and list that on the screen as well for you. Okay, so the first thing we got here is Osmia. I could be saying that completely wrong, so I'm sorry. And this is worth $20. It says it is comprised of 11 nourishing oils. This body oil naturally nourishes and heals, making it perfect for all skin types. And I have no idea if this is deluxe or full size. I'm guessing it might be full size, but I'll have it listed for you. But that is what it looks like. Alright, so the next thing we got here is Taila. I could say that wrong too. And it's a illuminating toning mist. And this here is worth $10. This is kind of interesting. This looks like a sample size. It might not be. But this right here is glass. So this is a really nice container for the size it is. Next thing we have here is rejuvenating facial oil that tightens and relaxes skin. This is from Uni. And this looks like a deluxe sample size, and this is $9. Now, I have tons of face oils and stuff, so I'm probably going to stick this one in a future giveaway, but that is what that one looks like. Alright, the next thing we got here is Kvass Highlighter Palette. Highlighter Palette, I guess that's how they're saying it. This is worth $36. It's an ultrafine pigment. Pigments are enveloped in a buttery base for a silky blendable formula that can be used on eyes and cheeks. Okay, so this is like a multi-purpose thing, but primarily highlighter. So let's go ahead and look at the colors. I'm definitely going to keep this because I really love Kvass. So this is the palette. And those are the colors. Let's go ahead and swatch them and see how they look. Those are the colors swatched. As expected, they are gorgeous and shiny and buttery, and I am super duper excited about these. Alright, we are moving on to the next box, and this is Tribe Beauty Box. I believe this one is $34.99, something like that, but I'll have it on the screen. And I am affiliated with them, so I do have a code if you choose to sign up with them, purchase from them, which I will have on the screen as well. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Okay, the first thing we pull out is the card, of course, and it has the items listed as well as a brief description and the prices. So let's see what we got here. Alright, the first thing we pull out is an Ofra eyebrow pencil. This retails for $13. It says it's universal. I am not going to keep this because I got plenty of eyebrow stuff, so this will be in a future giveaway. Next thing we got here is Modern Muse Roller Ball. This is from Estee Lauder. Let's see, what's this say? This is a floral woodsy musk fragrance. The top note is mandarin orange. Middle notes are jasmine and sambac. Chinese, jasmine, lily, honeysuckle, flower petals, and tuberose. The base notes are musk, woody notes, patchouli, patchouli leaf, amber, and Madagascar vanilla. And this retails for $26. Let me go ahead and see what this smells like. This is really nice, and I do love woodsy perfumes. I think they smell really good, so I will be using this quite a bit. I will probably use this up, and I've recently become a big fan of Rollerball perfumes, so excited about that too. The next thing we got here is a lip scrub from Karma Company, and this is called Birthday Cake Lip Scrub. And this retails for $20. It says, no better way to celebrate your lips while doing your skincare routine than with Birthday Cake Lip Scrub. Handmade with exfoliating cane sugar and moisturizing. This scrub buffs and pampers your lips for that extra supple radiance. So this is what it looks like out of the box. I am not going to open this because I am currently trying to use up a scrub that I am already using. Yeah, I think I said using too much, but that's okay. And the next item we have is a palette from Spoiled Cosmetics, and I'm actually affiliated with them. So if you do want to shop from them on their website, I'll have their code listed below as well. So this one says it is Romantic Getaway or Day Trip palette. This one is Day Trip. It says here that it is worth $24. These palettes are perfect for monochromatic looks, for day-to-day looks, and vacations. They include 9 highly pigmented shades, including 7 mattes and 2 super shiny shimmers. So this is what the palette looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up so you can see it. I will definitely be doing a tutorial at some point with these shades. If you have a preference in the kind of look I do with these shades, just let me know down below and I will see what I can do for you. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Here are the colors. I think those are really nice. That is a really nice summer look, or even fall color theme there. So I do like those. I do have a couple other palettes like that. I'll show you those. I have these two right here. You can see because of the colors. I have not done looks with these, which I should, and I probably will. I am obsessed with this right here. I can open it because this one has stars and the glitter. Alright, we are moving on to the last item in this box, and this is a set of brushes from Luxie Beauty, and this is the Luxury Glimmer brush set, and this retails for $80. Which I like these. I think they're really pretty. It says this set was inspired by rose quartz and the healing qualities and properties that comes from the earth, natural creation. It was created using the latest generation of synthetic tapered heads to provide extraordinary performance and make this new set indispensable to all makeup enthusiasts. I am going to take this out of the plastic just so we can get a closer look without the reflection of the light. Okay, so now you can see them up close. I think that they are really pretty. I think it's kind of funny because I have marbled nails on and these are marbled brushes. That was not intentional, but I am super thrilled about that. Okay, so I have one last box, and that is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, they don't send the cards in it like they used to, so I will just have the prices listed on the screen. This is a $25 a month subscription, and I will do my best to tell you what the products are. Okay, I've got another Kay Voss palette. This one is the Luminous Blush palette. And let's go ahead and see what kind of colors we got in here. Okay, so here are the shades of that. These are super pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch them and see what these colors look like on the skin. Here are the colors. I think those are super perfect for my skin tone, and I think it's gonna look really, really good on me. Next thing we have here is 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Okay, I do like this brand, but they are very expensive. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this just because like I said, I love their products. But this is what it looks like. And it says on here to use, let's see, shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops in your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. So this is kind of like the final step of your daily routine in skincare. All right, the next item we have here is Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Now, I used to have their setting powder, and I loved it because of the coconut smell. And yeah, so kind of a little disappointed I ran out, but I got tons of setting powder, so it's okay. So this is what the container looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray it just because I want to smell like coconut. And this smells very, very nice, very lovely. I am so excited about this product. Next we have a Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil Duo from Tanais. Here are the colors. Here are the colors swatched. They are a little thick, so they feel more like a gloss than an oil, which I do love, and I'm super thrilled about these lip products. Last item in my box, or bag, whatever, and in this video is this right here. This is the Viseart palette, and I do love Viseart. This is another very expensive brand, but their formula is just out of this world. So this is what the little palette looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. This is a perfect travel palette and perfect for summer travels. So let's go ahead and swatch these beautiful colors. All right, these are the colors in the palette. They are super pigmented and gorgeous, and I cannot wait to create a look with that. I think they are just wonderful. Anyways, that is it of this video. That is it of my boxes. Let me know what you think of them down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.